my name is Fafisa and I am the student of Insight English course, Intermediate Level 2. This is my homework. Words connection to words. The Recycle Orchestra are a group of teenage musicians from South America that perform famous piece of music on special musical instruments made of recycled rubbish. These talented musicians don't need expensive instruments and records producers to create wonderful music. They have become well known in their country and abroad, where many people admire their talent and their resourceful approach to music. A documentary film has already been made about them. What next? A recording contract? Maybe. Thank you. Goodbye.